Hello there, this is Jessica with Grace and Bacon. Welcome to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day so far. In today's video, we will be making the Moondance Notepad Holder from Sincerely Jen Pattern Company. I did mine with clear jelly and, or clear vinyl and then jelly vinyl. This turned out really cute. So you can see the stitches if you do the clear vinyl on the exterior. You're also gonna see them if you do them on the inside. But it turned out really good. You can see the back of the notepad, which I don't mind. If you don't like that, then you might want to go with a jelly that you can't see through, or maybe a different color and it'll just show up kind of dark. So I don't know, it turned out really well. So in this video, I've got the notepad and I'm gonna be using all jelly vinyl here. I went ahead and put my tag on the card slot, and then I've got, this is all jelly vinyl here. My lining. Now, since you don't really interface clear vinyl or jelly vinyl, I purchased this clear, it's cutting, what is this called? I got it from Joann's. It's a heavy duty template plastic. And I got this because it is heavy duty and it does give it some stability, some structure in this. It's really good, and I love that it's clear, of course. So I went ahead and cut those to the same sizes as the stabilizer in the pattern. So if you want to use that, if you're going to make jelly or clear vinyl, I recommend it. Really does work really well. I'm going to set this notebook to the side here and this as well. And let's go ahead and get into this. I went ahead and did my bag tag. I already said that though, didn't I? All right, moving on. So I'm going to go ahead and place the center lining right in the center of your exterior. So make sure that it is right side down, and this is going to be right side up, right in the middle. So I'm going to I'm not going to make snips or anything in this because you can obviously see the raw edges. So I'm just going to kind of smush these little corners together, because it will hold there for a moment, long enough for me to place this in the center. I'm going to do the same thing and just push the crease down. Then I'm going to get some clips and just match the two little folded lines you just made. Clip that together. Okay, and then we're going to set this aside for now. I can grab this. And we're going to work on our lining here. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this angled pocket, and I'm going to grab my card slot, and we're going to place this right on the bottom. I'm going to just kind of eyeball this. You can check the pattern for measurements. I do have double-sided tape on the bottom, so I'll remove the paper and I will go ahead and just place this right on the bottom here, as straight as I can get it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stitch from the right down the bottom and back up the left. So leave the top open so you can put a business card in there, or whatever kind of card you'd like to put in there. black and white checkered vinyl is so cute. It's from Zipper Valley. My bag tag is from the Heartwood and Hide. I highly recommend them. They make some really awesome tags. The black jelly vinyl is from Wonderground Fabrics. So now we're going to go ahead and take one of our lining panels, not the one with the slot for your notebook. So set that one aside. And you're going to go ahead and line this up. And again, you'll want to check the measurements in the pattern if you don't want to eyeball it, but I'm just going to eyeball this, and I'm going to clip this together. Make sure it's straight. Okay, let's go. If you hear my husband in the background, he's playing a game online with someone, and he's kind of getting a little loud. That's pretty funny. You know what? I forgot to also mention that when you sew this angled pocket, you want to have the angle opening like this, so then that way the angle is on this direction. And then you'll want to come down the side, down the bottom, and up this bottom part here. And then I'll clean up my threads as well, probably at the end. But this is looking so good. So now we're just about done. This pattern, it just comes together really fast. You're gonna make so many of these. If they're not the jelly ones, the vinyl ones, you're gonna love this. You're gonna just make so many of them. So yeah, okay. I'm gonna go ahead and take the paper, excuse me, off of the back of this. I'm gonna place it on the exterior wrong side, just as she states in the pattern. So I am going to place it on top of this center here. It would help if I put it on the right way. My goodness. Okay. Okay. All right, I'm going to go ahead and remove the paper on the other side. See if I can put it on correctly this time. All right, and once again, just over this center lining here, put this down. So now I'm going to take the card slot lining. I'm going to place it down. There's no wrong or right side to the jelly vinyl, so I'm just going to place it down. Just make sure that the opening for your notepad is on the top. If you've got directional, you definitely want to, you know, refer to, what am I trying to say? If you've got directional, just, you know, be mindful of that. So I'm going to go ahead and place this down, and I'm going to clip around. Right. I hope you guys are enjoying the marathon so far. These are really fun. If your edges don't match up, it's okay. You can always trim it at the end. I noticed that jelly vinyl does tend to stretch a little bit, and that's fine. I just end up cutting off a little bit to make it all the right size in the end. So not a big deal. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and sew around the entire perimeter at the seam allowance given in the pattern. And then after that, I'm gonna go up both sides just to go ahead and secure the center lining. So I've got a little bit of my sticky tape here. Let me fix that. All right, let's go ahead and sew this together. I'm gonna sew both sides down, and then we'll be done. Such a quick little project. All right, I'll have to go and trim down that plastic that I put in there. It's kind of poking out a little bit. I had to do the same thing with the other one I made. So you can just kind of flip it over like so and just take your scissors and trim that down. So it's no big deal. So go ahead and grab the notepad here, and let's go ahead and slide this in. And there we go. That is just adorable. That is so cute. What do you think about the jelly vinyl? You gonna make one? Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to make one. It turned out really well. So cute. I need to make some vinyl ones. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up all of my threads, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the marathon. So if you aren't able to watch the marathon for the rest of the day, all the videos will be available for you to view anytime you'd like. All right, guys, I will see you guys in the next one. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.